way to think about it is who's going to make things a little better for you or a little bit worse. Part of what I try to say to them is real talk. Whoever's president's not going to solve every problem. No president was president for 8 years. Didn't eliminate racism, didn't solve poverty. I said that's not the way to think about it. The way to think about it is who's going to make things a little better for you or a little bit worse. So when I was president, we passed a health care bill that gave 50 million people health care. And Kamala, as part of the Biden administration, helped to make medicine cheaper for seniors. So that's making your family's life a little better. Doesn't solve every problem, it solves some of it. And the flip side is you have a president who doesn't care about you, it can make things worse. So I've been using the example during COVID. We had a whole plan before COVID had happened, when I was still president. We anticipated there was going to be a pandemic. We put together a whole playbook, big, thick book. Here's what you do if there's a pandemic. We practiced it, had all our agencies practice it. Here's how you deal with the schools. Here's how you deal with public health agencies to minimize the disruption. Now, whoever was president, COVID was going to be a dose. People were going to die, business were going to close. It was going to be a problem. It hadn't happened in 100 years. But Canada had a 60% lower death rate than America. 60%. A million people died in the United States. If we had done a better job, that's 600,000 people who might be alive. Disproportionately African American, black people and brown people. 100,000, 200,000 of our grandparents, aunties, uncles were alive. That's why you vote, because things can get worse or they can get better. And I think right now we've got a real stark choice. And I think Kamala Harris will be an excellent president. I think Donald Trump has already proven he was not a very good president. And that should be enough.